also know that you've developed an AI lens for your SaaS based lean data governance. Now this is one particular term which I actually had to see.
Yeah.
Could you please tell us more about it? What is it all about?
AI lens, it is an artificial intelligence lens. I mean, lens via which you can see the insights,
Right.
lens via which you can get the intelligence. So it has got hundreds of use cases, such as one of the things that users actually face biggest problem is that learning a new solution. AI lens tells you, you just speak to it saying that I would like to do this, immediately it will get it done. So you see the user experience has completely changed. So awareness, navigation, helping the user, and again we are talking about data management systems. Not everybody understand data, data quality, data governance. So they feel always that it's a complex thing. So what we brought in a AI lens, which is a conversational AI. Like what I said, it is a natural language processor, natural language understanding. So if you ask something, it will get it done. Not just say this, say that I would like to do this, immediately it will get it done, and it will say that shall I proceed with this? Yes, proceed, get it done. But again, taking consent of the user. So that's one of the examples that I have given. Or if you would like to know more about it, again, when you are talking about data quality of your enterprises, you won't ask a question, where do I find coffee? You will ask, how good is my data, or how many sales we've been done, or how much money I have spent on this particular thing, or what was the financial results for the last quarter. And these are the questions. You can ask questions and it will give you. So how nice it is for the board members or the C-level executives to go and ask those questions. Go into a board meeting, you have all the information accurate coming out of your AI lens, and then you can go and make the decisions. Rather than nothing, you will ask X, X will ask Y, Y will ask Z, and then probably even you cannot trust it. But here it's the data quality management system, data quality governance solution, and it speaks your language. You can speak in your language, ask questions and get those stats and information, and you walk into a meeting, you will have again information, you can dominate it, you can control the meeting, you can make the right decisions. And this is what is data centric decision making. So AI lens has got a powerful feature with that. And again, can you please find me, if any organization says that, can you please find me this valve, where can I find this, or maybe this fan, where can I find it? It goes, searches on the internet and tells you these are the different prices, and from here you can get it, and the shipping is easier from here. So all that information of it. And again, especially the analytics is something that is derived from the data quality and several millions of transactions, and this is sitting on top of that and get all the information with all the connected systems and gives you the answers. And we are excited about it. We deployed only 20 plus use cases so far, but there are 100 plus use cases that we are planning to release as part of it, and anybody can use it as long as they have a data strategy.